So we are going to construction. Sorry, I'm using my green pen, but my black ran out. So construction of a segment bisector. So I could put two constructions together. I can make you construct a congruent segment to another one and then make you bisect it. So the directions for this, in case you need to look them over, the directions are on page 39 of the textbook. But we're going to go through them together. So take your straight edge and somewhere in the middle, because you want plenty of room above and you want plenty of room below, I want you to draw a horizontal line. Now, I could make you draw a diagonal horizontal line just so that you wouldn't use your graph paper to bisect it with, but don't pay attention to how long you're making it. Because I'm going to look for very specific things when you bisect a segment. Oh, we don't want arrows, we want endpoints. Well, that's fine. You can put a point here and a point here if you want to. And then we're going to bisect the segment from X to Y. You're not allowed to use your ruler to measure this. So we're going to use our compass. So whether you have your pointy compass or the safety compass, it doesn't matter. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take the pointy part of your compass or the brad on the safety compass, you're going to put it over X. And then for the safety compass, you're going to choose a hole that is a little over halfway. And make sure you don't forget what that hole is. If you have the pointy compass, let me borrow yours for just a moment. If you have the pointy compass, you're going to stick this point on X and you're going to widen your pencil till it's more than halfway from X to Y. Is that more than halfway? I'd make it even that to be on the safety sake. So don't go exactly to XY. You definitely want it to be more than halfway but less than the entire way because we're not making a congruent segment. See why we don't like these? That's got to be annoying, huh? Okay, so I'm going to take my safety compass and I am going to find a hole that is more than halfway. So I'm going to choose this hole right here. It's more than halfway to Y. Then I take this up and I'm going to make an arc above, a pretty big arc. And then keeping my pencil in the hole or keeping the same width if you have the pointy compasses, you need to put the pointy part or the brad now on Y. So your brad's on Y, hold on to the brad, hold on to the pointy part, and make another arc so it looks like it's making an X, right? Keep your pencil in that same hole. Then I want you to make an arc down below here. You could have made a whole half circle if you wanted to. Keeping your pencil in the hole, the same width, put that brad on X, and you want to make another arc below. So it looks like an X. So now you have two X's. You have a point right here and a point right here. Okay, I can actually connect these 2 points. Oh, I'm a smidgy. Why am I a smidgy off? Oh, because my point's up here. All right, so I'm going to connect those 2 points. Should be a nice vertical line. And I've just bisected the segment. If you don't believe me, measure your segment. So my segment measures 5, 6. Oh, great. This is really going well with my eyeballs today. So 5.5, 6, 7. We're going to call that 8. So 5 8/10 of a centimeter. All right. So then half of 5 is 2.5, right? And half of 8/10 is 4. So 2.9. Isn't that where it falls? 2.9. It's exactly half. So you just bisected a segment. This side is exactly equal to this side. Yes, you can make it so it looks like a little fishy. Let me see yours, Haley. So, Haley, this is what Haley's looks like. So, yeah, what's wrong with that? We're looking from here to here to here. These are exactly the same. Don't worry about this. from here to here, isn't that the same as from here to here? Yeah, that's what you're looking at. She went ahead and did these arcs. It just matters where the circles intersect. And they may not be nice and perfect there, but you're looking at this segment from here and that segment from there. Those are equal. These might not be. And I didn't connect mine as half circles. Mine are slightly off that way too. All right, any other questions on that?